And the Minos universe is shining even more beautifully tonight because we are together with Minos. Now that Minoverse map is complete, let us pick our lucky fan who gets to take a special gift prepared by Mino. Alam niyo, tapos na tayo ha? Meron pang special lucky fan na mag-uwi.
Ako na yan!
Special gift.
Venus!
And by the way, the lucky winner, please don't forget to pass by the information desk after the show to claim your prize. Now we're gonna read the VIPA. Wow. W9. VIPA W9. Yeah, congratulations. Please make sure to drop by the information desk later and show your ticket to claim your special prize. Yeah. So for now, we will have Minho step off the stage. We will have Minho step off the stage for a while to prepare for the next program. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Minho.
Ano, ganun lang.